Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you can hear me okay. My camera's a little further back than it usually is, so I don't know if it's picking up my audio. However, today we are working with Dorhair. I don't know if you guys can see that through the bright lights, but yeah, hopefully you can. I'm trying to get a different setup just to be able to get more in screen because I know I've been super close up in my last couple videos. But I'm working with Dorhair. It's my first time ever working with this company, and I wanted to check out their natural black hair because I do like to see how hair lifts. This is the hair out of the box, and I did bleach the knots, so I haven't done much else but bleach the knots and then tone that yellow out of the frontal. But I didn't color it, I didn't tint it or anything. It comes like this nice dark lace color, which is almost perfect for my skin tone. And it comes with this set of curls. The hair is super duper duper soft. It has like a really natural looking hairline. I am probably going to go in, if you guys can see that, I'll try to zoom in, but I'm going to try to go in and pluck it just a little bit more. You guys know I like mine just a little bit more plucked sometimes. And I am going to color this hair. So we are doing a color tutorial today. Let me see if I can get this centered. We are going to do a color tutorial today. We're going to bleach, we're going to lift this hair, and we're going to do a nice fall hair color. At least that is my goal. The dyes I'm going to be using are paprika and... let me just show you guys the dye. How about that? So I'm going to be using the Kiss Temptation Paprika and Cajun Spice. I believe I've used these before, but not in the way that I'm going to use them. I think I used it in like my Reese's Pieces hair color tutorial, so I only use it a little bit, but they're going to be the main characters in this. So I'm going to definitely do an ombre of the paprika into the Cajun Spice on the ends, and then we're going to put some nice curls in her and see how she looks. So let's go ahead and lift this hair. I don't think you guys need to see me lift the hair, but I'm probably going to show you like how many times I lift it. I don't think it's important that you guys see how I lift it. Maybe I'll show you the second time, but the first time, not important. You guys know I like to use the Quick Blue Bleach and the Ion Developer. So I'm going to use a 40 volume developer and Quick Blue Bleach, and I'm going to give this a bleach wash, and then we'll come back and see how much it lightened up after about 40 minutes to an hour or so. So this was just 2 bleachings with 40 volume developer and Quick Blue Bleach. The hair's integrity is still really good. I'm not getting shedding when I pull through. I'm not getting a lot of breakage. And I think this is light enough. We don't need to take this any lighter. This is a great color. The hair lifted absolutely beautifully. I don't think I could ask for anything better. So just to let you guys know, I let the hair sit, let the bleach sit on after I completed the full entire head for about an hour each time after. So altogether it probably was around an hour and 45 minutes of bleaching time each time with the application. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the paprika, and then we're going to fade that into the Cajun Spice. 2 bottles of paprika in my little squirt bottle. I'm just going to start off maybe doing half of this back portion, and I'm going to maybe go about halfway down, and then the rest of this will be the Cajun Spice. So alright guys, so I just realized that my camera cut off. I know, usual YouTube excuse, but I pretty much did the same thing for the entire hair except for the frontal portion. The frontal portion is going to be a little bit different because we are going to take Mocha by Adore. We're going to take Mocha by Adore, if you guys can see that, and we're going to root the hair a little bit. The frontal, however, this part can be completely avoided if you're a little more careful when you're dyeing and when you're bleaching and you don't take the bleach all the way up. You'll be able to just leave the hair its natural dark color and you won't have to worry about re-dyeing it. However, I thought I was going to dye the entire hair and it turns out I changed my mind. So yeah, here we are. So alright guys, so here is the finished product. Oh my god, I'm in love with this like fire blaze hair. It is so pretty. It's giving me everything. Look at that move. Okay, but look at the movement. Look at that movement. You guys know. This is ridiculous. Oh, this is gorgeous. I was gonna put some curls in this and maybe do like a half up, half down. But the way this is moving, I can't. I just honestly, I cannot like not wear it like this. I haven't clipped the ends or anything, so yeah, it's not like the most even. I think I might give it a quick trim just across the bottom, just to lose any of the dry ends. But for this to have gone through 2 serious freaking bleachings and bounce back like this, now don't get me wrong, it also went through 2 serious freaking silicone baths. So yeah, once again, silicone mix has saved my life. I love the hairline on this. The rooting came out gorgeous. Everything came out perfect and exactly how I imagined it, and I am so ready for the fall. So let's see what this bad boy looks like on right now. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I just recorded a bomb ass outro and now the outro's gone. So I have to re-record it and I'm gonna be late for work. Anywho, can we just give Dorhair her flowers? Because this wig is immaculate. She's a champ. She's taken to bleach twice. It is still so freaking soft. She's taken to color. The lace is freaking immaculate. Like I have not even put any goddamn no baby hair, no nothing. I haven't done anything. I plucked it a little bit and then I slapped this bad boy on. Like, I am super impressed with how soft the hair is, how I'm not getting any shedding, and again, this is after 2 high profile bleachings. Like, I don't even know what to say, but thank you. Thank you, Dorhair. Thank you so much. Like, for providing me with this immaculate wig. It's really ridiculous. Like, I like it so much, I didn't even take down my 5 head. Like, usually I'll pull it down a little bit, like just a little bit. I was like, nah, put this bug on, because this is my hairline. This is me now. This is what I look like. Set it right on my hairline. How? I'm looking at my monitor. How? I know you guys do like to see the back, so I'm going to go ahead and explain that some of the paprika, which is the darker color, did not, I I guess it's a little patchy. The other color, the bottom color, which I can't remember, cyan, I don't know. It actually, cayenne is great, but the paprika is a little bit patchy in the back, and I'm gonna just show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So if you can see, like right in through here, it's not the best like mixture, like ombre color, like it's a lot darker here and it's a little patchy up and through here, but that could just be my technique that created that. However, I just want to let you guys know to be wary of that if you do plan to use that color. I literally always start sweating in my T-zone first, and it makes me look so freaking oily once the sweat is no longer there. But we gotta turn this fan on. I'm so sorry about the noise. Yeah, so if you do decide to use these guys, please be aware that you have to be extra careful with the application of the paprika because it is a little patchy. Now, that being said, I need everybody to cop this wig. I need you to click that link below in the description box because the make of this wig, the integrity of this wig, the freaking quality of this wig is ridiculous. And I need you to cop the wig. I need you to bleach it twice with 40 volume developer. I know I tell y'all not to do that all the time, but do it and then dye it, because I need to know if everybody got these results. I need these results replicated. I need a lab control, whatever they're talking about. Write down your hypotheses, get your control, and everybody replicate these results, because I honestly can't believe that this wig came out this good. I really can't. I thought it would at least be dry, or you know, not have any kind of movement or anything. You guys see this mug moving in a way, and this is ridiculous. This is honestly ridiculous. I don't have any baby hair on it. The biggest problem I have is my sweat glands. Like, that's my biggest problem right now. Other than that, the lace is nice and thin. It tinted very well. Like, I don't have any issues with this wig, and that is amazing. Like, I literally cannot think of one thing I had a problem with. It was so freaking easy to do this. The only thing I have a problem with is the fact that I had to bleach it, and it just took too long because I hate bleaching hair. There we go. But I do want to go ahead and curl this and see how it holds up to curls and everything. I also need to get new lights because these lights are so freaking hot. They're hot. I'm sick of it. Turn it off. You're helping, but you hot. Yeah, so Dorhair has me looking like the cutest little Ronald McDonald, and I am super excited about it. Okay, little hair. I'm super excited to wear this hair. This is going to be my go-to fall hair. I might actually wear this hair in my engagement photos because she giving me everything. You know, I can't wait for the leaves to fall and start changing colors because I'm giving you everything with this hair color. So yeah, that's all I have to say about the hair, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or you've tried Dorhair yourself, please leave a comment down below. The link is in the description bar. Go ahead and check them out. And thank you so much, Dorhair, for working with me on this video. Hopefully you guys like what I did to the hair. I know you gave me the one bigger, but I had to spice it up a little bit. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next tutorial. I have an exciting color combo coming up next. Hopefully it comes out correct. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Love you so much. Mwah.